Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today I decided to go ahead and do a hairstyle that I've been seeing on YouTube a lot lately. I think it's pretty old and I have tried it before, but this time I'm gonna film it. I actually I tried filming it before, but it was like a whole lot of stuff. So now I'm like prepared today. So I'm just gonna film it, see how it comes out, and hopefully it comes out good. Pretty excited because I've never done this like hairstyle before, surprisingly, but I don't really be like experimenting with my hair. So first I'm just gonna tell you all the things that you need for this hairstyle, and I'm gonna start with the most important, in my opinion. But this is my favorite gel by Eco Styler. It's the black castor and flaxseed oil gel. Like, this stuff never like ever flakes, ever. So I love this. I'm just gonna be using this. It's some sealing cream from The Main Choice. It smells so good. It smells like blue Kool-Aid. But I'm just gonna be using it to like, I don't know, like make it softer, add some moisture. Of course, you're gonna need some water. You're gonna need a hard bristle brush and a semi-hard bristle brush. Some hair clips, I guess, to separate your hair. A rat tail comb, an edge brush, some ponytails or scrunchies as most people call them. I call them ponytails. I don't know why. Some bobby pins and some, what is it? Oh, edge control, sorry. Some edge control. And that's about it. So, change of plans. I'ma like comb my hair out a little bit because my curls are like way too defined to be trying to like brush it up. So I'll be right back. Alright. So now that that's done, I gotta start combing it up. Now I'm gonna add some gel. come to the conclusion that it does look a hot mess. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, but I did what I could, and my arms was getting tired, and I had to go like this, and my arms are not short. I'm not a short girl, so with that being said, next time I do a hairstyle, I'll make sure that I'm in the right environment to do so. But nonetheless, I think it's cute. I mean, the front it looks like, you know, I can do some work on it. I could like fix it up more. But I'm proud of myself for doing it. So with that being said, I'm gonna just do a little music video because I feel like, why not? And that's just that. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and comment, like, subscribe, and yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. If you want me to make more videos, please comment down below what you would like for me to do. I have some ideas, but I don't really have a lot, so just let me know what you guys want to see from me, and I think that's all.
Hey yo, shorty, won't you go get a bag of the lethal? I'll be undressed in the bra all see-through while you count your jewels thinking I'ma cheat you. The only one thing I wanna do is freak you. Keep your stone sets, I got my own baguettes, and I'll be doing things that you won't regret. Little Kim the queen bee, so you best take heed. Shall I proceed?